am a circle round and round, rolling softly on the ground. I am a square with corners four, just like a window or a door. I am a triangle, 1, 2, 3, pointy like a Christmas tree. I am a rectangle, tall and wide, like a book you keep inside. I am a star, shining bright, twinkling in the sky at night. I am a heart, full of love, flying like a dove above. I am an oval like an egg or spoon, shaped like a bright, floating